Do you need cheat code for investment banking operation career success? So if you're a fresher, you'll be starting in the execution process where you might be working into one of the process. It can be settlement, reconciliation, car protection, trade support, controls, compliance, anything and everything which is happening on the floor of, let's say, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, HSBC, Goldman Sachs. Now, the next move would be into where you understand process and you can move towards control side. You can move towards automation side. You can move towards implementation side. And now from there, the doors will be opening for the more complex processes. When I say complex process, the process which is having actual value addition, where the deadlines are very tight. So to give you a simple example, it can be hedge fund NAV, it can be private equity NAV, it can be real estate NAV. So those processes which are really, really critical. Along with that, you need to keep upskilling into technology as well. Because if you're not automating yourself into AI, you would not be staying relevant. Thank you so much.